fuck. Get your ass out of the middle of the damn road. Bitch. I knew this bitch named Megan. What are we doing?
Keystone Monday. It's going to Keystone. Oh yeah, no malarkey. That's my message.
Is it no malarkey express? Is when you're traveling around Iowa in? That's the bus.
Yeah, no coach malarkey.
Yeah, no. I don't think is he even in the NFL anymore?
I don't know. Is he like Trump or me? If you like Trump, go for the other guy.
So your name of your bus that you're now
Corn Pop Express out there.
No, you're getting yourself confused. Corn Pop.
Corn Pop was a bad dude.
You didn't want his express.
We got the Corn Pop Express.
All the words that start with letters that we say the letters because we're afraid of the words. They all get tossed around this studio.
If they only knew the audience what you say, right? Behind the scenes.
Yeah, they'd love me even more.
That's
just
right.
CC would throw me off the air. It's a fine line I have to walk
I
here.
just can't believe, Dr. Joe, that you would say something like this. I mean, is this how you talk on Sunday nights? Chiropractor? Yes, I say chiropractor all the time. Carrot? Absolutely.
I feel when people say doctor, don't say carrot and colon right after.
No,
It
Brings back to memories.
Really disgusting.
Flashbacks of college days.
Yeah, we all have that year. But I don't think it's something that'll be people to bring up and toss back at me. You're into hunting. Nobody brought him in the office? Is a Glock the best way to hunt? I don't know. I'm not a hunter.
Bitch!
Alan says no. He knows what he's talking about. How can all of things... But you know what? I'll bet you the Navy has their diversity numbers ready to go. I bet you they got that one down. When they have to report 17 times a year to 15 different boards about their diversity programs, I'll bet you they've got that under control.
Jesus fucking Christ!
To live here as guest, getting hunting license to get a loophole to buy a Glock, so-called for hunting, and then getting it into the classroom where you're not supposed to have any guns.
Special treatment where she's Megan's niece. That won't last long.
Oh, you just ran that right in front of them police. Go get his ass. Y'all are lazy. If that was me.
What?
That would have went and got me and took me to jail.
I'm gonna say that Yummy Tyson house. I'm gonna say some of the
Pop star fandom to me, and I wonder how that goes over with churchgoers. Hour 3 of the Von Hessler Doctrine begins now. Is it banal or banal? I said banal earlier.
Banal.
Is it banal? Autumn, is it banal or banal?